Hi everyone and welcome to this new video on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic for those who want to build a successful brand online: content marketing. Content marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves creating and sharing valuable content with your target audience. The goal is to attract and engage the audience, build a relationship of trust, and ultimately convert visitors into customers. But how can you use content marketing to build your brand online? Here are some practical tips. Before you start creating content, it's important to understand who your target audience is and what their needs, interests, and aspirations are. This way, you can create content that meets their needs and captures their attention. Once you've identified your target audience, it's important to create valuable content that meets their needs. For example, if your audience is interested in vegan cooking, you could create original and tasty vegan recipes. Not all channels are suitable for all types of content. For example, if you want to share a video tutorial, YouTube might be the right channel for you, while if you want to share a photo or image, Instagram might be more suitable. To build a successful brand online with content marketing, it's important to have a well-defined editorial calendar. This way, you can create content consistently and in line with your marketing strategy. Creating valuable content is not enough. It's also important to promote it effectively. You can use social media, online advertising, and email marketing to promote your content and reach your target audience. Now that you understand how to use content marketing to build your brand online, all you have to do is put these tips into practice and start creating valuable content for your audience. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.